Stretch marks are the most annoying problem a woman faces after giving birth to a child. Pregnancy is not the only reason for stretch marks. Both men and women can develop stretch marks during rapid weight loss or weight gain. Many people depend on laser treatment or surgery to remove the stretch marks. But they have side effects and sometimes the results fail. If you're looking out for remedies without side effects, then follow this home remedy. For this, we need aloe vera gel, cocoa butter, and grated orange peel. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is full of skin benefits and is known as a wound healer for many skin problems. The vital enzymes, minerals, vitamins, and fatty acids present will help in the faster healing of stretch marks. This natural ingredient do not prevent stretch marks but also eliminates them naturally. Cocoa butter. Cocoa butter contains A, B1, B2, B3, C and E vitamins which heal and encourage new skin cell production. The polyphenols present in it will improve skin elasticity and collagen production. It promotes production of new and healthy cells. It heals the dry skin and sensitive skin. Orange peel. Orange peel is considered as a boon for skin care as it cures blackheads, dead cells and stretch marks too. Extract aloe vera gel from leaves and grind them to become pure liquid. Now add 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter and 2 tablespoons of grated orange peel to it and start boiling. Boil the mixture for 10 to 15 minutes and later turn stove off and leave it to cool down. Finally, strain this oil into an empty bottle and use it daily. Apply this oil on your stretch and leave it whole night. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, like us and subscribe. To get latest updates and notifications, click on bell icon. For any queries and suggestions, feel free to comment in below comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.